I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
Today we have a gorgeous property to show you over at the gated community of Wild Heron on the west end of Panama City Beach. It is a gorgeous community, walking paths, lots of amenities. What is your favorite thing about this property, Heather?
I love how quiet and coastal this community is. We can live outdoors and not hear a word.
One of the things I love about Wild Heron, we actually lived there a few years back, is that you have access to the beach. The beach is just a few minutes away, but yet you have like this little wildlife sanctuary.
It is, completely.
You feel like you're kind of nestled away from the rest of the world. You've got the beautiful lakes, you're on a gorgeous golf course, multiple pools, Lake Powell, like so many, a fitness center, so many.
All the amenities and things that you would want to live in serenity and peace, but yet have access to all of this.
Yes, and the condo that we're showcasing is a gorgeous unit.
It's stunning with the wood floors and the layout where the kids can be separated from mom and dad. I mean, it's a thing.
Right, and very nice kitchen.
Yes, open to the living space. You've got your master that's expansive with a great, beautiful bathroom. It's designed so thoughtfully and the perfect space for a family and just enjoy living together and living in the outdoors.
If you're interested in this beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath and Wild Heron, we'd love to show it to you. It's a great value for anyone in the price range in that 5 to 6 price range.
Absolutely. So if you'd like to see more details from the MLS listing, look in the description below. Leave us a comment. What do you think about this property? It's gorgeous.
And don't miss out on any future deals like this one. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't forget to ring that bell.